Welcome again from my attic. I think the steam is not visible, but it's cold, so you can see my jacket. I feel like I would be outside, but anyway, that's the only spot in the house before Christmas that I can do anything like I want to do. Downstairs they would ask me to prepare something or help with something, which I don't mind, but let's get into the video. So in today's video I want to show how I use Rotolight Neo 2, which actually I'm using now as a LED constant light, but what I did, I use it as a flashlight on the top of my camera. That was a Canon 5D Mark III with 35mm lens, Sigma Art 1.4, which doesn't really matter, but if someone asks, so this is what it was. And actually you will see I'm taking portraits of harpist Melissa, which is amazing London harpist. You can find a link to her website down below if you want to hire her. I would highly recommend. Anyway, so I use Rotolight Neo 2, so LED light, as a flash, because yes, that can be used as a flash, which has no recycle time, so can flash like a crazy, like a strobe. But what I need to do that is or to have the trigger which you can purchase with the light, which is the price of the light, Electron, which as you know, I go cheap. I go as cheap as possible if I can save it, if I can save money. So on a Rotolight Neo I wouldn't save, I would buy it. It's amazing, the quality of the light is amazing, the build quality is amazing, but on the triggers I do save. So I used this Yong. What's the brand? What's the model? Yong RF603C2. C is for Canon, and I put them on, literally on the top of my camera. Put them on, so you see the small LED here ready, and you have the mini jack and this type of connection down here. You connect it to the bottom of the trigger, and this one goes inside the Rotolight. So Rotolight goes on the top, and you have amazing flash. You can judge if it's amazing or not by the quality of the pictures, but you have no recycle time flash. Yes, it's on the top of the camera. In that case, you can have off camera flash, you can have it off camera, someone else can hold it for you, you can hold it in your hand, it's very light. And you might think because it's on the top of the camera it gives flat image as a speed light would be on the top of the camera. So I can assure you, not in that case. So I was skeptical as well. I thought the same, I put on the top, it's gonna be so, but it wasn't. So join me in this video, all taken with 35mm, all stopped at between 2.0 2.8, and yeah, links to all the products down below, so jump into the video. as you could see, high-speed sync, so you don't need to worry about stopping down with your aperture. You can go as high shutter speed as you want, even though it's better because you're gonna have sharper pictures. So high-speed sync, no recycle time, and the quality of the light you can see in the video, you can see literally on my face now. Guys, Merry Christmas, all the best, yeah, enjoy your time. Oh yeah, by the way, this too, I just thought I'm gonna cut myself away from this backdrop. This backdrop gonna be clean within the next few days. These are a newer LED light, so newer in Amazon and newer as cheap as possible. Yes, you don't need to spend so much money for the lighting. It's just a matter of using it, how to use it. This one maybe is a bit too much. Let me see. Yeah. So the most important is how to use it. So master your lights and spend as less as possible on the lighting. See you later. Thank you so much. Bye bye.